Welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Ren, here again with another video. This is the one we've been waiting for. This is the kickoff, right? This is the video that's going to kick off my giveaway season. I'm in a giving season right now, so I did promise a giveaway on for October. So this would be the results for the October giveaway. Then we're going to have a giveaway for November. Then we're going to have a giveaway for December. So yeah, the timeline's a little bit funky. So we're going to address that. We're going to address the timeline to make sure that I get this out before the end of the year, because that's my goal, to get all of these giveaways kind of wrapped up before the end of the year. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So I am pre-recording this video. So I'm pre-recording this part, but then I will pick the person on the date that it's like wrapped up. So this particular giveaway for this one wraps up November 22nd. So I will do the picking it ends at midnight, November 22nd, East Coast time for the US. So it ends then. I will pick right after that the winner, and then I'll announce it. Well, I'll try to reach them first, obviously. I want them to know first and foremost that they won, and then I'll attach all of those clips to this video and launch it out. So as I'm filming this, I don't know who has won just yet, but this is also going to be the introductory to the next giveaway. I don't want to wait. I want to go like right into it. So let's first back up, look at the first giveaway. So the first giveaway, which I announced, I believe, back on October 22nd, if I'm not mistaken. I will link the video somewhere here if you want to go back and look at it. But by the time you view this, that video giveaway should be closed. It should say closed, but as of right now, it says open. But yeah, so it was this item. This was the first one. And it is from Louis Vuitton, obviously, and the person's going to get all of this, all the boxing, all the original paperwork and everything. So in the event they don't want it and they want to go back to Louis Vuitton and exchange it or something, totally up to them. That's their business. This is also open internationally. And it comes with all of the little identifiers, the product ID, the textile card, that will all be in there. And then they're going to get dust bag. So it's the monogram key pouch, or clay pochette, or what have you, depending on where you're from, you know what you call it. But it is in pristine condition. I believe it is, I want to make sure, it is a made in France piece. So it is made in France. I'm looking at it through my box lights that I have here behind my camera, and there's no stitching issues as far as like the seams being open. It's really symmetrical. It's really tightly done. I mean, the corners, I've seen people say that there's have been a little bit wonky and it's been warped, or it looked like it had almost like a dent in it on the actual canvas, and this one does not have any of those issues. It's super pristine. It looks so good. I'm so excited for this person to get this. So I guess right about here, I'm going to stop the video, or stop me talking, and I'm going to show you the website that I use to do the comment picker. The person was supposed to comment love and their Instagram handle in the comments on the video that I talked about this and launched the giveaway. So I'll show you how I go into there and do the comment picker, and then the person will be chosen and you'll see their name and everything like that. And yeah, so okay, so right now I'm going to cut away, go. Congratulations to the winner. I don't know who it is as of this second that I'm filming it, this part of the video, but whoever you are, I'm so excited, and thank you so much for following me, for doing all the bits to the giveaway. I'm so excited for you to get this. As I mentioned, this is open internationally, so hopefully this person is someplace else in the world, like further out besides the US, and they can get this piece and be like, yay, I'm so excited, you know, to have something, you know, whatever, to start off their holiday shopping. So that's that. So that's going to be the first giveaway from October. So I'm so excited they're going to get this. Congratulations again. I'll put your name on the screen. Hopefully I'll have your Instagram handle. I can put that up too and everything like that. But so excited that you got this, and congratulations. Okay. So then we move on to the next one. So as I mentioned, I'm doing them back to back. We're not playing no games here. We're in and out here, all right? So that giveaway is done. Then we're going to move on to the next one. So the next one is in kind of like, I don't know, in a spirit that I was just, I don't know, I was shopping. It was one of those things like one for me, one for you kind of thing. So I was looking at, when I was on Van Island, I was looking at, you know, different things that I wanted in my collection and different things that I wanted to, you know, get, and pieces in my own wardrobe that I didn't really have, you know, items for. So anyway, so I was like, okay, I ended up getting, and I think I put this in the video, a couple videos before this one. I ended up getting this Louis Vuitton bracelet from the fashion jewelry section, and I believe this one was called the mini, I'm looking down, historic mini monogram bracelet. I have it written down here, and this is in a size 19. I ended up getting this. I really liked it. I think it's such a great piece. It's such a great universal piece. I feel like it can be for, you know, my nieces, it can be for my nephews, it can be for my aunties, it can be for the woman that has it all, or the woman that's just starting her collection, or man starting their collection. So it really didn't, you know, matter. It was just such a great universal piece. So I got one for me, and I got something for you guys as well. So then we move into the November giveaway. So the November giveaway is going to be in this little drawer here. They are giving ribbons now, guys. So this one's going to get a ribbon. I'll probably give the other one a ribbon as well. I think I have an extra ribbon, so I'll probably wrap it with a ribbon as well. So don't worry. But this one came with a ribbon already, and it's a little sack. We're going to go ahead and give that an open. What do you think it is? I know, well, you kind of have an idea. You have an idea. All right. And it will be, ta-da! Can you see it? It's an upside, no, it's good. It's good. All right, there we go. I'm gonna do some close-ups so you can get a better view of it and you guys can see what it is, but I wanna get the name right. So this is the Essential V bracelet from Louis Vuitton. This retails for $270 US, and this is the second giveaway that I will be doing here on my channel. So getting close up for you guys. So this is canvas on the outside. It's got the leather on the inside. This one is, I believe, in a 17-inch. I didn't want to get the 19 because I felt like the 19 might have been too big for most people. So I did get it in the 17. So this is lovely. If you already have a bracelet, or you want to layer a bracelet, or you're starting your collection, this one is a tad bigger. So I am showing you what it looks like next to the one that I already have, and it is a tad bigger than the one that I own, but it is absolutely stunning. I mean, I've seen, like I said, men wearing it, I've seen females wearing it. It's such a classic, beautiful piece. It's such a great starter piece. I think this is so sweet and cute, and it's going to be for one of you. So the giveaway rules are going to be very, very similar, but this one is going to go shorter. So this giveaway is not going to be, I think it was like a month long, the first one, so it's not going to be a month long. This one's going to be only 2 weeks. So I'll put the date here on the screen, what the end date is for it. So it's only going to go 2 weeks because I have another giveaway that I want to do for December, and I want to get it done before the end of the year. So I want to like get that in quick. So this one is going to be for 2 weeks. And again, I'll put it down. I don't even know how long 2 weeks is. What's 2 weeks from today? So this giveaway will end on December 8th. So on December 8th, this one will wrap up. I will, you have until midnight December 8th to enter the giveaway. On this video, you will comment on this video, love, same thing, your IG handle, same thing as the first one, except everything on this video for this particular piece. So you're going to comment love here for this. You're going to also go to IG, you're going to like the corresponding photo for this giveaway and tag 2 friends. That's all. It's like that simple. But this will end December 8th, and then I will put up the video announcing the giveaway winner for this on the 9th with the next giveaway, and that giveaway is going to run until the end of the month in December. I'm really excited about the last one because I feel like that's my like really bigger one, or the big gift, if you will, the big gift for you guys for the holiday season. Is something a little bit more special from me to you. But I love this. I don't know, I think this is so darling. It's so sweet. I'm really loving this. I don't know why I didn't get these little bracelets before, or these fashion. I've gotten fashion bracelets from other brands and other houses, and I thought they were super, you know, cute, and I've worn them and they've gone season to season with me. I can wear them in the summertime and in the fall and the winter and so on. So I don't know why I was sleeping on these fashion pieces from Louis Vuitton, but I'm obsessed, and so my obsession is now your obsession, I guess. I don't know. So, but this one's for you guys. So anyway, that's it. That was a quick, short, in your face kind of thing. Congratulations again to my October giveaway winner. I'm so happy for you. Again, I'll put your name all over and plaster it all over. Hopefully you will, you know, do something or acknowledge when you get your package or when you get your giveaway, so that way I will also put that up on a later video so you guys can see her or him getting the giveaway item. But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, share this video with another auntie, niece, nephew. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.